how to recover account without OutPhone in Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm going to explain a few things that you can do in order to recover your account if you don't have access to your device. So the first thing that you can do is use an alternative verification method such as recovery codes. So if you have generated some recovery codes by Microsoft Authenticator, you can put them once you begin signing in on the app. It is then going to ask you for the recovery codes, and if you put them, it is automatically going to transfer over your data from the phone which you have lost access to. And another thing that you can do on the Authenticator app, is if you have registered your device previously and linked it to a phone number, you can use that phone number to sign into your account. So if here in the settings, if you have registered your device, like I said, it is going to ask you for the phone number, and then again, if you put your phone number, it is going to transfer over your data from that device which you no longer have access to. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.